How to create sound effects using AudioLab filters. First of all, open the app on your device and go to the main dashboard. Under Audio Editing Tools section, select Sound Mastering Tool. Then import the audio file you want to turn into a sound effect. Once the audio is loaded, check out the different filters like reverb, echo, flanger, pitch sensor, and chorus. You can use the sliders to adjust how strong or soft each effect is. You can also try using more than one filter at the same time to make unique and creative sound effects. The real-time preview lets you hear the changes immediately, so you can adjust until it sounds perfect. You can also use EQ and volume controls to make your effects even better. When you are happy with your sound effect, tap Save to apply the changes and export it. Now you know how to create sound effects using AudioLab filters. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more audio editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.